best sight ever. Back in my bedroom and tears arriving. Everything is right with the world.
What are you reading?
I'm in the local newspaper.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah, look, there's a picture of the catwalk show. Me!
Wow.
And, most excitingly, Reinhardt told me that every Wednesday afternoon in La Châtre, he has a meeting of people to teach them how to make necklaces like that. So I'm going to go, and I'm going to learn how to make necklaces.
How's the painting been going?
Slowly.
But surely?
Surely. Yeah, I started in the tower yesterday.
Excellent, thank you. We've got a lot of planning to do today. We're very busy.
It's back to earth with a bang after the excitement of the catwalk show now. I'm on breakfast duty and I've just got to go to the boulangerie to get the bread.
I've got your croissant here, by the way.
Oh, thank you. Merci beaucoup.
Excuse me, Thor. As always, you've chosen to put yourself in the most magnificent... Oh, yeah, no, it's a great bottom shot, but I do have to get to the door of the house. Thank you. Left me in a right state this morning, didn't you, Michael Potts?
Well...
Would you like to explain what happened?
So, yesterday I took the car out. Actually, when did it start? If you go back to Friday, there was a bit of a crisis.
I can see his lips moving, but it sounds like wow, 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 wow.
Now, I failed to tell you that. So when you went to the laundry today, you didn't really have any money.
No, and I had to beg them to give me the croissants for
That's
my
hilarious.
poor B&B guests and promise to take the money back to them later. Unbelievable. It's all happening in the breakfast kitchen today. David's wearing a different superhero outfit today. It's a different superhero outfit every day. I think we need to have... This is Black Panther, but I'm the only person who's not a superhero in this kitchen. What happened? Why is suddenly the whole household wearing lycra? Whilst Michael stands eating a croissant, asking if it's superhero day.
I was wearing the Green Hulk.
Oh yeah! Oh, I know, I see it now. And what superhero are you, Grant?
Thunder from Down Under.
Oh, yeah, brilliant.
I actually have some spare lycra if you'd like to.
No, you're good, thanks. I'm happy with the floaty yellow dress.
I could see you running through the fields in a floaty yellow dress.
There'll be no running at all, David. Don't try and make it sound more enticing by painting a picture of running through meadows of wild
It
flowers.
would be very Hardy-esque, I can say.
Do you want some protein chocolate milk?
No, it's disgusting.
Oh.
I've told you once and I'll tell you again. It is repellent. It looks delicious.
It is delicious.
It is absolutely not delicious.
It's so good.
I think Flower Girl is looking
Oh,
wonderfully superhero-esque.
floaty breakfast moment.
Stephanie.
This is saved. Thankfully, the lovely people in the boulangerie let me take the bread and pastries without paying for them, and I'll run back with the cash later.
I'm at Limoges Airport to pick up Scottman!
I thought I'd come incognito.
Scottman's amazed that he got recognised at the airport again.
Yeah, well, I try to go incognito when I'm travelling.
I can see the sunglasses make you almost invisible.
Well, when I'm travelling, I like to be quiet and subdued, and I
Yeah.
just like a quiet corner. You look like a very spring lemon.
A spring lemon!
A spring lemon is really sprung in June. How fast can you drive this car?
Oh, 200 with a tailwind?
Great.
Downhill?
Well, let's give it a bash.
We've got a real problem. Come have a look at this. This is disastrous.
See, you've hit the ground running, Gerald. Already been shown a problem. Well, I hope the enthusiasm for the problems continues at this rate.
No, this is it. It's a 5-minute excursion. It's okay. Mac Colombo's here.
Mac Colombo now.
Mac Colombo's here. Show me the problem. There's just one more thing. Let's look at the bridge. Would you mind following me?
Okay, you see that?
Oh, how cross Michael is.
Coming
Naughty,
through.
tiny little.
Yeah, he's coming through the wall. This creeper is like going into every single crevice of the wall and pulling out all the mortar.
Oh dear.
It just needs repointing.
But with you on it, Michael, I have no worries. You're the
Well,
man for the job.
I'm leaving tomorrow, so it's on your hands.
Someone's got to pull the ivy out.
Yeah.
Who's Ivy? What did you fall in? Can somebody come and pull Ivy out? She's been in there a long time.
Thor has taken to wandering about the fountain in a particularly architecturally pleasing way. It's almost a pity that we'll be filling it with water next week. Neil, who is just there with Gerald, bought me this book, which is a first edition of Nancy Mitford's Madame de Pompadour. It's amazing, just amazing. Look, there's the Madame de Pompadour par Boucher. We did a costume party called Legendary Lovers, and I came dressed as Madame de Pompadour, so I can't wait. I'm going to start reading Snipe Plus.
You are?
Look how beautiful and blue it is.
You know that you're one of the only persons in the world that reads.
I don't think you're right about that,
Old books.
I think quite a lot of people.
I think.
Oh, she was beautiful.
1752.
And she started Sèvres Porcelain. There's her lover.
Wow.
I was feeling quite traditionally British tonight, so I've made prawn cocktail followed by roast dinner for everyone.
Look at this.
Roast dinner tonight.
Oh my goodness me.
Now, ask that lovely friend of ours who's a butcher if he'd like to carve it, because I'm rubbish.
They're such lovely people. We had a little prawn cocktail to start, and now I've just sent out the chicken and roast potatoes. And we're going to ask the butcher. I did say to him when he told me that his friends just call him the butcher, that that's not a very reassuring nickname when a stranger's just turned up in your house.
What is it?
The butcher.
You're called the butcher.
I'm called the butcher.
How many chateaus have you been visiting while you've been here?
This is the only one.
So this is the
only
first
with
one.
The first one.
The butcher.
So we have to
The butcher
see.
comes to
The butcher
Lalande.
comes to Lalande.
We have to see if we survive the night.
I've got a full set of knives with me.
You shouldn't be
He carries a
saying
set of
that.
knives with him.
They're hidden under the floor. There's a secret compartment in the car.
Your name's not Jack, is it?
You're safe. You're safe. You're safe with me.
I think it's fair to say that it's never been so well cut. in
I've been
this house
watching how
before.
the master butcher's been doing it.
Yep,
I've
you're
been-
ready to do this job in future.
I've been watching, I haven't learnt anything, but I've been watching and it's been fascinating.
It's beautifully cooked. It's literally falling off the bone.
Oh, that's, well that was Stephanie. So Stephanie, what was your secret for cooking the chicken today?
I popped it in an oven.
How long did it take?
Yeah, but you've stuffed it. Look.
I did, yes, there's lemon inside. There's a lot of butter on the top. A lot of butter.
And this is a perfect evening at Lalande with wonderful guests. And this is how we treat our guests. They come here for a relaxation, for a wee break, for a wee holiday, and look at this. Instead of us serving, the butcher is doing our work.
It's an absolute pleasure because I'm going to eat most of this.
And you literally just got married how many days ago?
Well, days,
Sunday, Monday,
3 days
Tuesday,
ago.
3 days.
At Dick and Angel Chateau.
Dick and Andrew Chateau. 3
Amazing, how
days.
was it?
Well,
Fantastic.
stunning.
It's gonna take us a few days just to recover, and then probably I'm gonna cry for a week 'cause it's over.
I don't suppose Michael did your makeup, did he?
He did. Well, no, he did
did
your
my
eyelashes.
Oh, he did. So you met him.
Yeah,
She
I
wishes-
did. I did meet him.
Yeah, she did.
I
wish
said
that-
I said no to having my makeup done because I don't have my makeup done.
Yeah.
I'm not big on makeup, but I really wish I'd said yes. I obviously looked him up on Instagram, and he's got these, and you're on there, and your face is beautifully made
Yeah,
up.
he does that. He does it.
I wish I'd said yes, and he was so lovely as well. All day I was like, check my eyelashes, check my eyelashes. He's like, you're fine, you're fine.
He was
Oh,
there.
I miss him. It's because he's working so hard over there that he's not
He's
here.
so
He was
lovely,
great.
Yeah, really.
and he looks so great.
David, Jerry just came and whispered to me that you've cleaned the entire kitchen whilst everyone's giggling in the dining room, having cycled all the way to Chateau and back.
To be here is a privilege that I'm not going to forget. So doing a bit of washing up is really not a problem.
I can't believe it. I can't believe it. They was piled up with things. Look at you. You're just surrounded by gold cutlery. Just a little pile of gold cutlery and David.
Stephanie, I've got an idea. Why don't we get up early tomorrow morning and do the bathroom?
I don't understand. Part of the What was the beginning of that sentence?
Why don't we get up early?
Yeah, no, again, I don't grasp
If
what
you
you're
change
saying.
the we for an I, then you'll be fine. Try again.
Why don't I get up early tomorrow morning?
What an excellent idea, Gerald. There's a lot to be done.
But you told me it's a two-man job.
It is a two-man job.
Yeah, well, how is Stephanie going to help a two-man job?
Well,
I love your reasoning today, David. You're just like brownie points are raining down on you this evening.
I will be up, Jerry, because I'm going to go and do breakfast run.
Well, actually, Michael Potts thinks he's doing it, so we could just stay very quiet and leave it at that.
Okay.
And then
Michael's
you
doing what?
could help Gerald to run to get the bread in the morning.
Oh yeah, well Dave could help me.
Yeah. Michael's trying to scare me into getting up, and the only way he knows to scare me is to pretend to be my mother. But it's
Stephanie, you're gonna get up too late. Oh, what are you doing in bed? Oh, my child. Are you going to get up? Get up, get up, get up, go!
no, it doesn't scare me, Michael. It only scares me when she does it. So, what's the news from downstairs?
Gutters blocked. 2 gutters are blocked. Sink's blocked.
So 2 gutters are blocked and a sink is blocked.
Yeah. One of the gutters is particularly worrying because it's blocked with lime mortar, which presumably was holding up part of the house at one stage before blocking the gutter.
Okay, I'd just like to tell everyone, but this is the sort of conversation I'm woken up by every morning. Great. Hurrah. I think a cup of tea before we tackle any of that. How's the room plan going?
It's actually done.
Wow, the hardest room plan Marie has ever had to do here. We are so full this month that our friends are sleeping on emergency beds in rooms that aren't even bedrooms.
I want an automatic online system now. I'm done with this.
Okay,
Yeah.
right. What you want, you shall get.
I want a pony.
No ponies! I don't want a pony.
So what is this that you had brought from England?
It's a rather oversized box for a tap. Until you see the tap.
Ooh, I'm excited. Oh, can we see it in place now? This is very exciting.
Well, we can, except we're minus a bath.
Well, I realise that we're going to have to use our imaginations.
It's really not a problem. We've made plans for the bath coming up.
If there's one good thing about this house is that we're rich in imagination.
I can already see the bath.
Yeah.
There's cheese.
Yes.
Cheese is the main part
Cheese
of
and
your
whiskey.
imagination.
So I think that's going to be quite impressive.
That's beautiful. Oh, well done for finding that, Ian. I think I'm going to kick Michael out of this, move in here, and he can have my room.
I don't think Michael will like it here.
He'll be happy in a pink room.
Yeah, of course he will.
Especially one that's freshly pink. Just if you go back and run at it.
Yeah.
Run at it.
Okay, right. 1, 2, 3.
You were joking.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, we're joking.
Can we have a blanket? Bring that blanket, Mary.
Oh yeah. I thought you were running at it.
So,
Michael, do you remember when I told you that I didn't think it would go through this bit?
yeah.
So you're cooking, David, and 1 man cooking, 3 men removing a balustrade.
The other option
Yeah.
is there isn't another option.
Grant, why aren't you wearing a red jumper? It seems to be Team Red Jumper.
Yeah, being a convict from Australia, I
Yeah,
had to.
yeah, they need to be stripes.
Yeah, I had to look like. Michael's already asked me, do I know how to pick a lock? And I said, is that because I'm from Australia?
You can't leave the bath in Nick's bedroom.
I'm sorry. It's just too heavy.
Michael, please be joking.
Sorry, you're gonna have to put back all of this stuff as
I
well.
can't believe you've wrecked my entire bedroom to get a bath through as well. Be the first. Oh, hang on. There's no bath in this bedroom. Where's the bath, Michael?
Okay, have a look in that room down there.
Are you going to come and join me?
Yeah, let's look this down.
Hello.
Hello.
The bath has made it in.
Yeah.
Oh, and look, celebratory feast going on. What a magnificent job. How many hours did that take?
Short while.
So Michael's apartment's nearly finished.
Yes.
Yeah, look, the bathroom, I mean, that is nearly done.
Are you impressed?
I'm so impressed.
You guys did really good work. I mean, Ian got this whole bed straight off. Grant was incredible. It was very, very good.
You're all amazing.
Time to go.
I don't want you to go. I don't like it.
Me or him?
Well, you're coming back, David, so I'm finding it easier to cope with that.
Let's let me carry on. Hopefully I'll be back in enough time to finish it.
Bit by bit, one bath at a time, we'll get this chateau finished.